First, we remove the front panels. This is a simple step, but it's essential for easy access during the installation. Next, we carefully measured and made the necessary holes in the wall to mount the plate. This step is crucial, making sure to follow the instructions and measurement guidelines closely. Securely in place, we attached the side panels to the medicine cabinet to hang the frame onto the plate. To ensure a clean look, my husband drilled a hole in the wall to hide the electrical cables, connecting them to the bathroom lamp just above the cabinet. With everything in place, we secured the cabinet to the wall and started reinstalling the front panels. Next, we installed the shelves and adjusted the panels so they were perfectly even on the front and sides of the cabinet. And here it is, absolutely stunning. This medicine cabinet has truly transformed our bathroom. Now let's take a closer look at the digital panel, where you can adjust the time and temperature settings. It's incredibly user-friendly and adds a modern touch. This cabinet also offers different lighting options. Here's the brightness and various light colors. Whether you need a bright light for getting ready or a softer glow for relaxation, it has you covered. When you open the cabinet, you'll see there's so much storage space inside. It's not just functional, it's elegant too. Plus, there's a built-in electrical outlet, perfect for plugging in hair devices or, in our case, our electric toothbrush. It's so convenient. Overall, this medicine cabinet is an amazing find, and I definitely recommend it. If you're looking to upgrade your bathroom, don't hesitate to buy this wonderful piece. We're about to buy the bigger version for our bathroom.